Another one. Yeah. I stay down with my.
Hola loves, bienvenido a mi canal, A Real Journeys. Hey loves, welcome to my channel, A Real Journeys. If you are a subscriber, a new subscriber, or you just happen to come on my page, welcome. And if you saw my original welcome to my channel video, I just wanted to re-upload it because one of my co-workers, she saw my videos and she said, why don't you do a video about hair? Because you're always doing your hair. You're always doing your daughter's hair. You're just always doing somebody's hair. So I'm like, oh, wow, let me think about that. Originally, I, told you what my channel was about, which it still will be about motivation. And I'm still planning on going out to interview you all for this journey that we call life, and to motivate each other and keep each other uplifted on whatever you're trying to accomplish and do in life for the year 2019. But her asking me that made me think, yeah, I am more than just doing what I said I was going to do originally in my video. And pretty much, and I did say that I was going to bring you into my journey. So pretty much this video is to let you know what to expect to see on my channel. We're going to have fun. We're going to learn new techniques on how to save money, how to make money, because everybody loves to make money. And, eating good, not just talking about, oh, I'm going to eat asparagus and healthy and stuff. And I think, what's the saying? Somebody told me, oh, I'm going granola. No, I'm talking about eating as if we went to some fine dining restaurant. I love hibachi. So like eating at Wasabi's, Benihana's, the Cheesecake Factory, some really nice upscale restaurants here in Cleveland that you probably never heard of, but really nice gourmet type food on a budget. We're going to live good. We're going to eat good on this channel. We're going to make money, and pretty much we're going to be living our best life. So anyway, right, so as I mentioned, I said we're going to live our best life in 2019. We are laying the foundation, honey, to live our best life, because I want to live my life like it's golden. And like I said in my about page, and then I changed it and said, no, scratch that. I want to live my best life, my life like it's platinum, because we going to the platinum level with all the stuff we're going to learn this year and apply to our lives and motivate each other. So, as I mentioned, all I want to do is win. We're going to continue to say that throughout the year, because this is our year. 2019 is our year. Despite all the craziness that's going on in the world, 2019 is our year. Also, just expect a lot of fun. So, in the meantime, in between time, as I always say, see you on the next journey. And remember to tell yourself that I'm irrefutable. BKA, I'm impossible to deny. Peace.
Another one. Yeah. I stay down with my day one.